What does it cost to own a lawnmower? It sounds like a simple question with an easy answer. Find your lawnmower, look at the price tag. Well, if it was that easy, we wouldn't be here. It's this thing called maintenance. So let's break down the cost of maintaining your lawnmower after you've purchased it down at the local repair shop. Yearly service. Yearly service at the local repair shop is going to be anywhere from $300 to $500. Now that's going to include things like your new belt, fuel filter, oil change, plugs, blade sharpening, right around $350 to $500. Now remember, that covers it in the spring, but you're going to have to sharpen those blades every 20 to 25 hours. So the average lawn is going to require about 3 blade sharpenings. So let's add another $100 to those costs. We're up to $450 to $600 a year. Now that's pending you've got transportation. You own a trailer or a way to get that mower safely into the back of your truck and then back down when you hit the service shop. If not, unfortunately, let's add another $50 to $100 for transportation. Now we're up to $500 to $700 for that actual service per year. For this exercise, we're going to take a 7-year lifespan of the mower. Adding up that service cost over 7 years, we're at $3,500 to $4,900 over the life of that mower. On top of the cost of the mower. I told you, it wasn't quite that simple. But I've got a better solution and a better number. It's the DIY solution with MoJack. Now listen, DIY on lawnmower maintenance I know might sound like a real pain, but let's break down the cost and then also the fact that MoJack just makes it simple. MoJack turns your garage into an easy, safe home repair shop, saving you time and money. Cost breakdown on the MoJack lift? Well, the lift is about $330. Belt, $50, fuel filter, $15, oil filter, $15, air filter, $12, couple quarts of oil, $18, plugs, $12, blade sharpening, free. So your first year of the DIY maintenance is about $452. Every year after that, $122. We're going to take that same 7-year lifespan under the DIY approach with MoJack, and we're at about $1,184, so under $1,200. So in comparison, local service shop as high as $4,900 versus the DIY with MoJack under $1,200. That's a savings of $3,700. One could argue I could almost buy you a new mower in 7 years just with the savings. Look, don't dread that DIY. MoJack makes it easy. So if you want to get more information on the MoJack lawnmower lift that we're using here and a lot of other models for things like zero turns and even push mowers, check it out at themojack.com.